Show me acceptable behavior for sitting down. Expected behavior for sitting down. Hands in your lap. Eyes up here. Mouths are quiet. Ears are listening. Yes, nice. See this yet? This is a surprise. All right. I brought something in today.
What?
Do you know what this is?
Tools. Box.
It's a box. What's inside of it?
Tools.
Tools like what?
Toolbox.
But what's in here?
Like wrenches.
Like wrenches? And what else?
Hammers.
Hammers? What else?
Screws.
Screws? What else?
Screwdrivers.
Screwdrivers? Let's see if you guys are... What do you think, Miles?
Hammer.
A hammer? Let's see. This came out of my office. Oh, you guys were right.
I said wrenches. Hammer.
I have a hammer. What do I do with a hammer?
Nails.
I pound nails into what?
Board.
Into boards. All right. Or I can take nails out. Right? Let's see. Somebody said a wrench. Are you sitting down, crisscross applesauce, please?
I said a wrench.
Wrench. What do I do with a wrench?
You tighten screws.
Yes, you do. You tighten screws. Uh-oh. The leg is loose on my chair. Tighten it up. Now it's not loose anymore. I use a needle nose pliers to bend wires or to pull things out.
Or to cut stuff.
Or to cut stuff, yep.
Scissors.
This is my screwdriver. Uh-oh.
Screwdriver.
I need to get out. I need to get this handle to stay. There, now my handle is tight. I fixed it. These tools help me get things done around my house and around school. This actually is my secret toolbox.
I did. What about hiding it in the treasure chest?
Well, I want you to see this box.
That says a stop sign.
Look up here. This is another toolbox. But when I open it up, does it have a hammer in it?
No.
Can you tell what it has in it?
Paper.
Paper. And on the paper are pictures. All right. This toolbox helps you solve problems.
That's wrong.
This toolbox helps me solve problems at home when I want to hammer a nail or fix something. This toolbox helps you solve problems with friends so that you can play together and be happy. This tool right here, I have a tool is a hammer, hammer is a tool. This is a tool. It says Get a Timer. You're going to watch a movie right now about Get a Timer.
That is from Frozen.
Yep, but this one's not.
Can I have that? Not yet.
Eliana has the Slinky.
Sure, it's a timer. When the timer rings, I get it. Okay. My turn. Here you go.
Now they trade. Elsa's turn for the Slinky.
Let's start the timer again. Okay.
When the timer rings, who gets the Slinky?
Her.
Yep, Eliana.
My turn now. Here you go. Thank you.
All right, we're going to watch this one more time. I'm going to make the volume go down. Eliana has the Slinky. Elsa wants the Slinky. She says, let's set a timer. Let's use that tool. Eliana says, okay.
I can't.
Nope. Watch, the timer's ringing. Now they trade. Elsa's turn for the Slinky. Eliana wants another turn. They set the timer. Elsa plays with it until they hear the timer. Up, Eliana's turn. That's how you use a timer. Now we're going to pretend to use a timer. And I'm going to use a timer. Ashton, go get the timer from Mrs. Boyd. Nice listening, thank you. All right. And then I'm going to pick two kids to come up. I need Liam and I need Charlie. All right, Charlie, hold the phone. Now, Liam wants the phone. Just a minute, Liam. Charlie's playing with the phone, and Liam says, Charlie, can I have a turn? You tell him that. No? Charlie, can I have a turn? And Charlie says, not now. You say, not now. Okay. So Charlie's playing with the phone, and Liam says, look, Charlie, let's get a timer. And Charlie says, okay. You tell him, okay. Okay, so now we're going to set the timer. And Charlie's still playing with the phone. The timer rang. What does Charlie do? You tell him, your turn now. Tell him, your turn. Now Liam is playing with it. Charlie's going to want a turn. Let's set the timer again. Charlie's waiting. Look, both of your friends are happy. They're playing together. Whose turn is it? Tell them thank you. Nice sharing with the timer. You can sit down. Now, there are lots of other tools in here that you're going to learn about. This is the first one. Get a timer. Over here, Mrs. Coulson has the words, the toolkit.
Wow.
Look at this. Right here is the same picture. Get a timer. You have to think to yourself while you're playing. If I want that toy, I bet I can get a timer and we can share. That's what you're going to remember to do this week. All right, now, show me expected behavior for sitting on the carpeting, please. Yes. Now listen to Mrs. Coulson.